Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to log into Truist Online Banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Truist Login. We can see there is no such website as Truist because this Truist Bank is now merged and is converted to Truist Bank. So, let's click on this. Now, if you do not have an account and want to create an account, simply click on Open Account. But since we are logging in, click on User ID. Now, enter your user ID here, and if you want this ID to be saved, simply click on Save User ID. Enter your password, and once you are done with all of these details, simply click on Sign In to get into Truist Bank interface. So, this is all we can do to log into Truist, that is now Truist Bank. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.